So it's pretty cool. And there's some vendors here that I didn't even know you guys had.
It's a great opportunity for your customers to meet a lot of their vendors and suppliers, see all the different technologies and products that they can get through a wonderful partner like Galco.
You guys are doing a wonderful job. This is a great setup. You got a perfect area for it, and you got real lucky with the weather.
A lot of information here, new product lines. I love it.
I think it was great. I think it was fantastic. I think it was well put together. I think you guys did a hell of a job. So yeah, absolutely.
Really getting to talk to the suppliers and the manufacturers and engaging with their products is really nice to see.
This has been the best way to strengthen our relationship with the vendors.
I can say that it's a great event. Lots of nice people here, lots of contacts. I encourage everyone to get out and check it out next year.